Hey guys, WizKid. So, another review on a Boomco blaster. See? Boomco. So, this thing I'm suggesting is a, pistol. But, you can get this at Goodwill for $2.99. $2.99. Which is pretty good. But, you can see that it has this cylinder that holds 2, 4, 6, 8 darts. But it's kind of weird. So you can rotate it freely without primed. And I think it's pretty weird at some points. Because it's like, what's wrong with this handle? And apparently, you pull this back and then push it forward. And I'm like, so now they're doing a front grip instead of a back grip. What does that mean? They're just changing stuff, but this thing's weird. So, I go to shoot it, I pull back, it fires a dart immediately. Now watch the cylinder. I push forward, it rotates all the way. What is this? And you can't really fire it quickly. Watch. As you can see, it's a bit weird. But, yeah. That's pretty much it for this. So, it's pretty accurate. But my opinion on this is, I don't know. Like, if you saw this at Goodwill for $2.99, I would consider buying it. Is it, like, a great blaster? Probably not, but at least it's okay. Like, everything can be an okay blaster, but if you really saw it, I'd probably say maybe. So possibly a no. But that's my opinion. It all matters on you. So, thank you so much for watching. This is my video on the Boomco something rotator. That's what I'm calling it. And as all Boomco blasters, they shoot these special darts, which are, I'm calling them straws. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.